salmon.
People.
What is it? Mesquite
Yeah.
and Danvers. I don't get it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You did.
Well,
We'll go back to basketball.
Let me tell you what
No,
Grandma
basketball's
Casto did to me. You just go get the soap.
That's what we told him yesterday. You know that dirty soap in the bathtub?
She got the soap. Which was really, I don't think I ever did that to the kids, but then.
You supposed to get the soap?
These are two moms. They're annoying.
Two moms. Two moms that are annoying.
Samuel.
They make no sense. Nag, nagness.
These guys are
This,
ears must be
that,
full
this,
of
that.
wax.
Gosh.
This is how it is.
Yeah.
You gonna say anything about that?
No, I'm not.
That
gonna
was
say.
the last. Rest in peace, Samuel Alford.
I'm going home and I'm going to pray for that boy. Pray hard.
Grandma's gonna be on her knees all night long. Thanks, praying.
You've had it now.
She's gonna get the anointing
Buckaroo.
oil out. She's gonna lay hands on you suddenly, boy.
Turn about 15, I love you. 14.
Did Sheldon just turn 15 or?
Purdy.
I can't remember who's older.
I think he's older.
Yeah, so Sheldon just turned 14.
14.
So Sam will be
Yeah.
15.
Yeah.
This time next year, Sam will be driving.
Oh, God. Don't even let me go there.
I
Oh,
know.
come back, Sherry.
He'll get his temps in the year.
Oh, God. I'm not even going to think about that. This day has been too hard. I'm not going there. Samuel driving.
I'm a Purdy.
Nope.
We love you.
Love you.
The recording?
I'm testing her. See how
Hey, you.
much I can get.
I'm drinking water.
What is it, baby? Yeah. Yeah, they're rolling it. Get out of the way, truck. That's better. The shoe goo for your shoe?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Covered up with some shoe goo.
Some shoe goo. We're in Gahanna, walking through the park. I'm gonna go over to the old bag of nails.
Okay.
Don't be doing like ground like this. Keep it away from the water.
Mhm.
And do little segments. Like stop it and then restart a new one.
Look at the trees.
Your dad can make that whistle.
The mosquito honey.
What are these are? Look.
What?
All things hanging from the tree look like. God. I think they're gonna open up into something.
Yeah. What? Those are leaves. That's like they just like think it's the ground.
Look right here, guys. Right on that log right there. It's a little turtle.
On it.
Little turtle. Little turtle. That's a frog.
Did you just hear that?
That's a frog.
It's like a bongo.
Sounded like someone
Yeah.
farted.
Yeah.
Oh, do you hear that?
See that on that log?
On that little log.
It is a little
It's
turtle.
baby turtle.
Oh, yeah.
See it?
There's something else you can hear them.
Frog.
What is that?
Frog. Where is it? Can't see it. Mm. I was like, what the heck is...
He was sitting there dropping all the pieces.
Keep on walking.
Oh. You get your feet wet.
Anything to eat?
That old bag of nails out on the patio, second floor in Gahanna with my daughter, my son, my two other daughters over there, my beautiful wife. We got this whole place to ourselves. See what's going on here. I love this guy.
23 years away. Maybe like still hanging around for 9 years. This time here.
Usually I get
I'm like, Mason, come get your And honestly, it was a point where I got, wow, I turned the
Great.
Come on.
Oh, they look wonderful, honey.
Buy more just banana bread and pumpkin bread.
You want to help me out? Why? You look fine. It's a video, guys. Say hi.
I'll tell you when my neck looked like this. 6:30.
Are you recording?
Papa Alfred's here too. And he's going to the bathroom. I'll put it on pause. But I'm okay. That's just a tooth headache, you know what I mean? Your dad's here. Hey.